Now you can continue. Doing it right this time.
Just so hard. What is this? Why do I need a lock?
A bike
lock.
It's stolen.
Oh,
That's a good gift.
yeah.
That gives you a life of security, Kay.
And I got one that spells out instead of numbers.
I was there.
Huh?
I picked it up for him.
Oh, yeah, you were.
Ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it?
A book.
That's awesome.
A book of...
I want you to read it to me later.
What? This is 186 pages.
What is it?
Marble.
Oh,
Oh,
Marvel?
no, 188 pages.
You can do it. That's easy, right?
I'm going to do 100 or 86. What this is.
Can you see him with that box in the way?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh.
Well, either there's like a lot of dust in here or like this whole entire place is haunted.
More Pokemon cards.
Whoa. Look
Yeah.
at that. You have so many
There's all
now.
my Pokemon cards that I put.
They're, I don't know.
Oh, up over here.
Okay.
I got a ton now. I got another GX.
Wow.
No,
Okay, now you're in the way, baby. You can't
Shane,
see
move the big box. You see the giant box? Move it. Okay, there you go.
I know there was another one with Pokemon cards. This has to have Pokemon cards.
Or
I didn't even have that many.
it could be a bracelet. You never know.
Now I feel the Pokemon cards. Even when I was guessing, I said Pokemon cards.
Oh.
Yeah, Pokemon cards.
Where'd you find that, Mom?
What?
Yeah, where'd you find them?
Oh.
I don't know if this has a GX.
The pajamas?
I still have it.
How many are
Oh,
in each or okay. I don't know why you're whispering. Who knows about it?
I know all I know about Pokemon.
a telescope.
Ooh, is it a telescope? What is it?
No, it's like a light thing for my bike.
Oh.
That's good.
On the back, it looked like it was a telescope.
Did you want a telescope, baby?
Oh, yeah. I guess so. I don't know.
Shane, did you know your mom made a huge deal about getting a telescope and then she didn't use it and she wanted to return it?
Yeah.
No, that was a metal detector.
Well, and that was the next thing, the metal detector.
Wait, no, that's Anika's.
Is it?
That's Anika's.
It is.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to the start
I
of the
was
show.
wondering, I was like, I know I picked out a few other things.
Socks.
Now those
I
are
wonder
the
if
socks.
everyone got socks. So for me and Yuli, I do.
There's some more small ones, Shane.
Oh. And socks, I think. Yep.
Sarah, did
Got
you-
2 pairs of socks.
Because you can never have enough
This
socks.
year.
I have
Huh?
enough
So,
socks.
dude, I barely forgot about you this year. Look how sad she looks. Oh, first grade? Oh, you still you don't have this.
So leaves!
Oh, more pages for the Pokemon book.
Yeah, look at that.
This might take me a while to put them in. But the cases look so cool. A ton of pages. Now,
What's in that? Oh, I guess you already opened that. Go ahead.
Rip it! You're not a fun opener, Shane. You suck. There we go.
Oh, look at that. Oh, and it's fast.
Hey, don't break it, you weirdo.
Okay. Take
Okay.
the chill pill.
Yeah.
No, it's good. Have fun, Shane.
Shane, can you go help Antonika? She's got get a big.
No, Mom.
Yeah.
No, she needs to bring out her.
No, I want him to help her.
No.
Okay, go ahead, get it.
Okay, stay right
It's a
there.
big tall box next to my printer.
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm gonna start.
No. Well, go give him a trash bag. Shane, stack everything on top.
Ah!
What do you mean stack everything?
Organize everything so when we throw away things, we don't throw away your toys.
Some things are not toys.
Okay, well, your presents. We won't throw away your presents. Oh, is that another present right there? Right.
This one?
No, you're over it. Your hands are next to it. It's right there.
Oh, I missed the present, you guys. Come back.
Here's one too.
I missed the present.
Oh my goodness, you missed one?
Okay, Shane, open up your present. Your
Go ahead and open up that present.
Your Pokemon cards. Yay!
is it
Pokemon cards.
is it
Mm,
I don't even know if they're Pokemon cards or not.
they are. Well, not blame Amazon.
Hey, open up the box.
Okay, Shane, here, open up this box.
You know what it is?
No.
Me neither.
it's Santa Claus inside. We kidnapped him for you.
We killed it.
Yep, see, I can tell you that gift.
Here. Go this way.
What is?
Oh, sailor design.
One flicker! Yay!
What is it, Shane?
One flicker! Another one flicker! Hey, I got it!
And you also got a bike.
He's like, yeah.
I don't care about it. I want the one flicker.
Wow, Santa Claus must have thought you were good.
Yeah, you got everything you wanted, huh?
Wait, you said Dixie wasn't going to be here, right?
No, he's not here.
Like to...
Why does it have to be put together?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Mommy's here.
I'll open and see if you do. Oh.
I'm pretty sure you just pop it in a plate.